everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and today we are going to plant some pentas. Pentas is a beautiful, actually, shrub for some people, a beautiful flower that comes out of Africa and Yemen. And here in the Midwest, it's treated as an annual, but for me, it's going to become a perennial. Let me tell you why this is going to be a perennial for me. I'm going to bring this into the basement with this pink guava. This pink guava looks amazing. Taylor brought this back from a wedding. I think it was either Louisiana or Mississippi. This one looks great. The other pink guava, it almost looked like it died. I'm not going to prune anything. I'll show you. But it's starting to bring leaves from the stems. But back to pentas. Now pentas like a very well-drained soil, which is perfect here. And they like to be fertilized for flowers. You know what I mean? Well, they are flowers even though they're a shrub. So to get the soil ready, I'm going to add the soil moist. And just work it in. And the fertilization is going to be flower fertilization. That's the best one. Don't over fertilize, but I use the Job's organic. And this is a time release, which is perfect. And these are so easy to grow. They like full sun. And so they're heat intolerant. Really the deer for me or anything else doesn't really like it, but I think the leaves are kind of rough. Okay. And I'm going to put, I think, 2 in each one. So, okay. So I'll put them like this. These are the easiest plants, and they're tropical, kind of woody shrub. And then to set this off, we have this really odd, almost greenish blue container, which I love. The pink foliage. And then what sets it off better than a white petunia? This will be the spiller. And they grow well together. Because the penta gets taller, it'll get up to 2 foot really in this container. And so this will cascade over. This will bush out over the whole thing, and this is just a beautiful shrub, really. But that's it. Really easy, low maintenance. Keep it watered, but do not let it get too wet. Hates that. And have a great day, and this is how you plant pentas. Very easy, very simple. Have a great day. Okay, I just said have a great day, but we're not finished. I want to show you the other one. Okay, the first container is planted, but I want to show you the second one. I don't know what happened to this. It happened one other time, and it basically looks dead except for down here. So I'm not going to prune anything. With the guava, you kind of let it do its thing. Get the branches that look good with the foliage. In about, I don't know, 4 weeks. Then 4 weeks, yeah, about 4 weeks. Then I'll prune everything. But I want to see what's going on here. See, up here we have a leaf bud up here. That's it on the Pink Guava. And when everything's planted and watered in, make sure you put some type of cover. I put several things. I put some leaf compost, and it's so hot here that I'm also starting to put wood mulch to retain the not only the water, but to keep the sun from baking the top of these. Okay, now we're done. This is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and think about buying some pentas and trying them. Easy to grow. It loves, well, butterflies love it, as well as hummingbirds. Have a great day.